Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Brickbloom Seed and Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the plans from the festival, Modular Street Festival event. If you want to unlock this Brickbloom, you need to have level 2 in your gardening hobby. And wait, let me show you the event menu. Okay, as you can see here guys, that we have gardening challenge, and one of the challenges is sow 10 Brickbloom seeds and also grow the Brickblooms and harvest 1 Brickbloom seed through crossbreeding. So of course we need to have the Brickbloom seed. If you want to get the seed, you need to go to the Belong's gardening store. Then you can purchase the seed from here, the red Brickbloom seed, the yellow one, and the white one. And you can unlock the flower seed after you reach level 2 in your gardening hobby. So make sure that you have already reached level 2 to get the Brickbloom seed. I've already planted this flower, but I haven't harvested the plant yet. Thank you guys, and that's how you can unlock the Brickbloom flower seed in Heartopia Modular Street Festival. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!